Okay, let's say something. We know the key to practicing English is to speak more. You can regard these words as your listening materials or the words which can inspire you. Okay, let's start. A few days ago, I was honored to be given an opportunity to be present at a ceremony held by a school. It aimed to encourage students to work harder. It went deep into a large number of specifics. There are a few brief keywords have left a deep impression on me. I think it's educational, so I feel like sharing them with you. 1. Concentrate on studying. 2. Self-discipline. 3. Strive to do. 4. Observe the discipline. 5. Be grateful. I think if you look at it in a thoughtful thinking, it will be beneficial to your whole life. Okay, that's it. Thank you.